Ayesha Mariah, girl, you're so fire. The way you do what you do, they just don't make them like you. Cause you do your own makeup, and you got your cake up. Body insane, hair is amazing. You got the glow, you're gonna make it. Skin is so soft, what are you taking? Ayesha Mariah.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are gonna do some cleaning up today. My space is a hot mess. This is unacceptable. No girl should be living like this, at least not a girl like me. So this is what my space looks like. It looks like a hot mess right now, and it is time that we deal with it. we have it, guys. I'm so done. I love cleaning up. It smells amazing in here. The candles are lit. The smell is lit. And now I'm organizing my clothing rack for my Skims try on haul, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Guys, I literally just attempted to film my Skims try on haul, and oh, what is this on my shirt? Oh my goodness, hold on. Okay, that's better, because I don't know what the hell was just going on. But I just attempted to film my Skims try on haul, and I just wasn't feeling it. I don't know, clearly today is just like not my day. My makeup came out fine for the most part, but my lashes is falling off. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm tired. I don't know if because it's Monday and I jumped right into it too quick, but it's not happening today. So still stay tuned for that. So guys, this is my fit for today. Real comfy, real cute, still lazy. I have on my pajama pants, a crop top, my LA World Series championship hat, and a crop jacket. Real comfy, real cute. It's a vibe. Let's go.
Ayesha Mariah, girl, you're so fire. The way you do what you do, they just don't make them like you. Cause you do your own makeup, and you got your cake up. Body insane, hair is amazing. You got the glow, you're gonna make it. Skin is so soft, what do you take? Ayesha Mariah, Ayesha Mariah.